In 2010, Borussia Dortmund signed a Polish striker named Robert Lewandowski for just £4 million. Well, he was almost in the verge of joining Blackburn Rovers. The deal was almost done and he was ready to fly to Blackburn. But Mother Nature strikes and a volcano erupts in Iceland, which cancelled his flight and gave Borussia Dortmund just enough time to convince him to come to Germany instead. Well, it seemed like a waste of money at first because he was missing big chances. He spent the maximum of the season on the bench, but later, under Jurgen Klopp, he thrived. He scored many goals the following seasons, delivered two Bundesliga titles, a four goals masterclass against Real Madrid in Champions League semi-finals, and almost led Borussia Dortmund to their second ever Champions League. Although he later on left for Bayern Munich, Borussia Dortmund's biggest rivals, but what he did for the club made him priceless. I post football stories like this on a daily basis. Follow for more.